Let's see it like this. From west, let me just write it like this. West is C2 to C200. Okay, and it's equal to west. All right. Is it? No, it's okay. Like this. Come on. What's going on? If is count ifs. Yes, like this. We want to use the count if. Look at this. It's only 30 apply this one. Let's check. Let's check the within the classic way. Okay, we have a filter. Let's say we said less than 400, less than 400, this one, and it's coming from west. Look at this. Is going sometimes it's going to take too much time when you are doing it by hand like this, and always change it. We said it's 13. Count it. Look at this. It's 13. It means we have 13. We have 13 from west when it's less than 400. Of course, as you know, we can just make it like this to make it the region, to make it easy for us. If we have not, come on, make it like that here. When we have let's say west, and we have 400, less than 400, like this. Within this one, we don't need to write it on the cell. We're gonna write here, and instead of the west, we're gonna choose the west, and it's gonna tell us the same. What about if I write east? Okay, it's 8 only, so automatically change for us. What about south? It's only 9. What about 300? Only 4. It's very simple, and it's gonna do it. It means I'm going to apply more than one condition. Oh, I can just apply another one, and it's coming from oil. Let's say like this. Okay, it's coming from oil. Let's see the product part for now. The product part is B2 to B200, and I have oil. Okay, only one. I can just say product here and put oil. Alright, I'm just put this oil instead of writing by Ashari. I'm just doing it like this. This one, I can just change this one to 500. It means I have less than 500 from the cell, and I have oil, just only 2 oil from the south. If I'm just going to west, okay, I have only 1. If I'm increasing this one to 1000, I have 7. If I'm having oil, let's say rice, it means I have a rice amount less than 1000 cells. Product is a rice from west is gonna show me the 9 of them, and I can just add more and more ifs. For example, it's coming from Aryan or one of the name here. It's very simple. You can just apply it. Okay, that's something good for countifs. It's very important, guys. You can just add more. Maybe let me just add one more for you. It's a CD, right? D2 D200, and the condition is Aryan. Again, let me just okay, let me write it. I'll put it here. I have to put it here like them. Aryan Ahmed. Okay, none. Okay, name, let's say is okay, is equal to Aryan Ahmed. Alright, and choose this one again instead of writing again it's عشري one, and just make it dynamic. Okay, Aryan doesn't have anything. What about oil? Does Aryan has oil? There's three times sells, for example, from Aryan sells oil when it's less than to 1000. What about if it's equal to 1000? Nothing. What about if it is greater than 1000? Nothing. What about it's greater than, okay, this, if we just check all of them, 0 is gonna tell us 3. Okay, this is for oil. For rice, nothing. From west, okay, if it's equal to south, 3. That's very simple conditions. We can just count it anything how many we have at this one.